Thanks for tuning in. This is The Life of Miner. Let's check out week 96 of my mining payouts.
But I know what I do and I know what I need.
Okay, so at the beginning of these payout videos, let's go over the date and time when I took these payouts. I took these payouts around 6 p.m. US Eastern Time, and the price of Ethereum is around $1,802.08. And the price of Monero is $230.75. Okay, so like previous weeks, I've been mining Ethereum, and I do average around 2.5 gigahashes mining Ethereum. I've been also mining Monero, and I do average around 14 kilohashes. Okay, so now pulling my Excel and checking out what I mined. I did mine around 1.17 Ethereum, equaling around $2,139.08, and about 0.04 Monero, equaling around $9.95. Now, if I did sell everything as of today, I would have made $2,149.03. Now, just be aware, last week I did make around $1,933.23, but the price of Ethereum was a lot less last week. It was about $200 less. So if I held since last week to this week, I would have made more money. And last but not least, if you did want to check out my GPU count, I do have a total of 75 GPUs and 1 CPU. My GPUs are mining Ethereum and my CPU is mining Monero, and I do have 2 mining farms. Okay, so for this week's fun clip, I do have 2 bullish news clips on Bitcoin. So let's check this out.
Another big day for Bitcoin. That new record brings the cryptocurrency's gains in the past 6 weeks to about 70%. As far as what's driving that, analysts are pointing to some more interest from Wall Street and momentum building after Tesla said it was adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet. This morning, MicroStrategy, which really was one of the trailblazers here as one of the first companies to buy Bitcoin with corporate cash, said that it's doubling down. That software company plans to offer $600 million of convertible notes and then use those proceeds to buy more Bitcoin. Analysts tell me that these new corporate buyers are adding to some of that Bitcoin demand and may be helping boost prices. There's also some more Bitcoin interest on Wall Street. CNBC reported last week that JP Morgan was looking seriously at that asset class. And today there are some more reports out that one of Morgan Stanley's investing arms is considering adding Bitcoin to its list of possible bets. We also had MasterCard and BNY Mellon showing some new support for cryptocurrencies. All of this has led to a jump in bullish investor sentiment. According to Fundstrat, that firm's Crypto Fear and Greed Index is at about a 95 out of 100. That's what they call extreme greed levels. It's been over 92 for the past 7 days. There are still plenty of skeptics, though, for Bitcoin. A recent Deutsche Bank survey showed that investors see Bitcoin as the most extreme bubble right now in financial markets. And Nassim Taleb, author of The Black Swan, tweeted in the past couple of days that he's getting rid of his Bitcoin. One reason, he says, the cryptocurrency, or any currency, is never supposed to be more volatile than what you buy and sell it. The volatility, he says, hasn't dropped as prices continue to climb higher. Deirdre, back to you.
Yeah, you can't ignore that volatility. Crypto Kate, thank you for that.
Bitcoin crossing 50,000 for the first time ever. Let's bring in Jeff Kilberg and Scott Nations. Kilberg, you're first. Where's the next stop?
Well, Judge, we actually saw it print above 51,000. That's the CME Group's February contract, very high volume. And I think the next stop is higher, Judge. And why is that? It's supply and demand. It's supply and demand if it's any asset class. But here we are in a digital asset class. They've only minted about 150 to 200,000 Bitcoins in the last couple of months, and the demand is much higher. So I think the broader swath adoption, we know PayPal story, we know the Bank of New York custodianship, but I'm actually talking to business owners here in Chicago that want to pay their employees in Bitcoin. So I think that momentum keeps a bid in Bitcoin. It's not going to be a straight line, Judge, but it's going to 100,000, I think, in 2021.
All right, Scott Nations, Killer's going out on a limb here, just like he did before Notre Dame got rolled by Bama. What's your trade?
Wow.
That is harsh, I will admit. But it's also harsh technically for Bitcoin because to the upside, there's no support. The interesting thing here, Scott, though, is that it's only barely overbought. The relative strength index for Bitcoin futures is just over 72. We know it can get much more overbought. It got to 85 at the end of November, got to 95 in January. Both were resolved by big one-day sell-offs. 15% resolved the overbought situation in January. So if you're looking for help technically to the upside, there's nothing there. I mean, the target there is to the moon. To the downside, 40,000 is important. That's where this rally really got going. So if you're a bear, that's the target.
Yeah. All right, guys. Good stuff. Sorry, Killer. Sorry about that. I'll make it up to you next time. Jeff Kilberg, Scott.
Alright, so thanks for checking out this week's mining payout. Stay tuned for next week's as well. And shout out to this week's random comment winner. And if you do want to be featured, just write a comment below. And if you do want to catch these videos live, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofminer every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone knowledgeable will definitely help you out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you enjoyed it, sub if you decided to see what's next. But of course, thanks for watching and always, happy mining.
Thanks for watching The Life of a Miner. This is Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. You don't want me to get angry and turn Super Saiyan, so make sure you subscribe to The Life of a Miner. I'm also the narrator. Next time on The Life of a Miner.
You got to let